Oh, I have had the longest day, guys. Woo! I've been saving all of China from bad guys, trying to take over all of China, so I'm just gonna hit the hay. Oh yeah. Oh. Crane's acid reflux must be acting up again. It'll die down in a second. Oh, it's Tigress. She must be dreaming about that one time I beat her in sparring or something. It'll stop when she rolls on her tummy. There goes Mantis. And, Monkey must be depantsing people in his sleep again. And you'd think that Viper would have a much daintier snore than that, but no. All right. I'm just gonna see if anybody else wants to take over all of China. Oh, these look so cool! But Master Shifu says I'm not allowed to click anyone. But hey, he didn't say that you couldn't for me. Come on, do it. Just, don't tell Master Shifu.